In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create voice memo and add it instantly within Messages app, use this button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on microphone 1 and start recording. When you're done, you can tap on the same button, listen to your recording and decide if you want to attach it or restart it. If you want to do it faster, record it and hit attach right away. Now to add already existing audio file, click on this plus at the bottom left corner and select Files. Then choose Audio at the top. Look for your audio file in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to look for it here. Either way, once you find it, click on it to attach it. Now, when it comes to video file, to record it and add it instantly, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then operate camera section at the top, and when you finish your recording, it will be automatically attached to your message. If you want to pick one that's already on your smartphone, hold this line and drag it up. Then pick your video. Hit done and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!